students, good morning. Myself Nilofer Miss. Again today we will continue with the same chapter, same topic, passive construction. In the previous videos we have learned about the affirmative sentences, then we have taken the interrogative sentences. Today we are going to take the negative sentences. How to construct passive sentences into negative. So here I have taken the sentences and we will solve it here. God doesn't help idlers. This is the negative sentence. Does not. Negative sentence it is. So how to make passive in the negative? That we will see. Again the same situation would be there. Subject, verb and object, and we will do the same method. See now. God is the subject. Does not help. This is a negative word and this is the verb and this is the object. So in the negative, how will we keep? First we will keep the object idlers does not help. Instead of that, we will write down are not helped. Verbs third form and aren't instead of doesn't. Okay? By God. Okay? Next sentence. We didn't dig this well. Here we have, why we have kept here are, because this is the present tense. Does not is there. It is the present tense. It is used for God. Now we are using same for the idlers. It is the plural form, and so we are keeping here are. Now same like that. We didn't dig this well. This is the subject. This is the verb, and this is the object. So first we will keep the object this well. Now if you know, did is the past tense. So we also will keep here the past word. This well was not dug. Third form of the verb is dug. This well was not dug by, instead of we will keep here us. Understood? This well was not dug by us. Next is, they is the subject, haven't finished, and their work is the object. First of all, we have to separate the sentence into three parts. So it will be easy for us to arrange again. Now again object will keep here. Their work, haven't is there. But why have is here? Because there is the plural form. But here we are taking work. Work is the singular form. So we are going to keep here their work hasn't. With has and have, what we are keeping in passive? Been. Hasn't been finished by, what is your? They. So the relative pronoun by them. Okay, isn't it easy? See now next one. She is the subject, head not covered, and her face is the object. So what we will keep first? The object. Her face. Head not covered. Had not been covered by, relative pronoun of she is her. Okay? Now here ing form is there. See, they. They is the subject, are not repairing, and the road is the object. So the first word we are going to keep is the road. The road. Now see here, are not repairing is given. Are is given because they is the plural form. But now we are going to keep here. So what is it? The road. The road is singular form. So instead of are, we are going to keep here is not. Ing is there. So which form of be we are going to keep? Being. B-E-I-N-G. Being. Ing here. So ing here also it is needed. It is compulsory to keep. The road is not being. Third form of verb repaired. Repaired. Relative pronoun of they by them. Is it clear? Next one. The boys is the subject. Were not telling, and the truth is the object. This is the verb form. So first we are going to keep the object. What will come? The truth. The truth. Now here a word is given. Why? Because boys, this word is the plural form. But the truth is the singular. So what are we going to keep here? was not, ing is there, so what we are going to give? Being. Third form of tell, told the boys, the subject. So by the boys. Okay, the truth was not being told by the boys. See now next one, auxiliary is there, will is there. Manu is the subject, will not, or we can say won't in the short form. Will not like, this is the verb and this is the object, it. So first what will be there? It. We are going to keep it. Will not like. So instead of will not, we are going to give won't. With will, what comes with auxiliary? Be. Be like, the third form of like. By whom? By the subject, by Manu. Okay? It, see we are keeping your object. Will not like, instead of that won't be liked by subject Manu. Okay, clear? Next one, she will not have invited him. She is the subject, will not have invited, verb form, and him is the object. So keep the object first, he. Instead of him, we are going to keep here he because it comes at the place of subject. So he will not have invited. So won't, will, either you may write will not or won't. It is the same thing. Won't have, sorry, he is there. So won't have been. With have or has or had, what we are going to keep here? Been. He won't have been invited by, what is here? She. So her. Got it? He won't have been invited by her. Now we are taking negative interrogatives. It is interrogative also, plus these sentences are also negative. So let's construct the sentences. First one, doesn't God help idlers? See, this is which tense it is? It is the past tense. Helped. See now here, instead of does, first see this is the subject, this is the verb third form, and this is the object. Now in the interrogative, what you are going to do, you don't have to change the place of this word, question word, but you have to select which word you are going to keep. So it is, this doesn't is the present tense. Okay, so what we are going to keep? Idlers will come here. So before idler, we are going to keep are. Idlers, because this is the plural form. So we are going to keep here are idlers not helped by God. Okay, this not will come with the verb form. Here you will keep the question word are, instead of doesn't we are keeping here are and not here. Okay, the subject will come between these two words, are and not. Are idlers not helped by God? And then question mark will come. If you not keep the question mark, it means you have written the wrong answer. Next one, we is the subject, not did, this is the verb, and this well is the object. So did is the past tense. So instead of did, what we are going to keep here? Was. This well not, instead of dig, dug, third form, by the subject. What is the subject? By us, question mark. Was this well not dug by us? Okay, why we are keeping here was? Because this is the past tense. Why we are not keeping were? Because this is the singular form. Okay, next one, have they not finished their work? They is the subject, not finished is the verb, and their work is the object. So now what we are going to keep? Their work will come here, subject will, object will come here, and before that we have to keep some word. So because they is there, so they are keeping here have, because it is plural, but we are taking the singular word. So here instead of have, we are going to keep has their work. This has follows this word, their work. Their work is the singular, that's why we are keeping here has instead of have. Has their work not, now with have has what we are keeping? BEEN, been. Has their work not been finished by them? these kind of sentences, if you are using here there, you are using a there instead of them only. So these word and these word are the same words. So if you are not keeping by them, then also this is correct. But better you keep it. Okay, if you are not keeping, then also this sentence will be correct. But if you are having any doubt in the mind, so complete it. It's okay. Both are correct. Next one, had she not covered her face. This is the subject, this is the verb, this is the object. Had. It comes in the both tenses, both the forms, either it is singular or plural. Had is had only. So had her face, instead of not covered, not, because have has had here. So been covered. This much is correct. Okay. But if you want to keep the subject at last, you may write down by her question mark. Because her, once her is coming, so no need to keep the next time. But if you are keeping, then also it is correct. Next sentence, are they not repairing the road? Ing word, see, they is the subject, not repairing verb plus ing, and the road is the object. So, and here is the question word. Now you must have understood what we are going to keep, are or is, because the road will be followed by this word. So we are going to keep here is, because the road is the singular form. Is the road not repairing? So not, being, being here, so ing here also. Is the road not being repaired by them? And then question mark. Okay. Next sentence, were the boys not telling the truth? The boys is the subject, not telling is the verb and ing, and the truth is the object. So first of all, this word you have to classify. What you are going to keep here, were or was? The truth is the singular form. So what you are going to keep here, was. The truth. Not telling. So what will come here? Not, being, being, third form of tell, told by the boys. And then question mark. Okay. See now next one. Auxiliary is there. Manu will not like it. Sorry, will Manu not like it? See, Manu is the subject, not and like is the verb, and it is the object here. So will, no need to change it. It, not like, not, but because auxiliary is there, so we'll keep here be. Third form of like is liked by Manu. And question mark. Will it not be liked by Manu? Okay. Next one. Will she not have invited him? She is the subject, not have invited. This we have to change. And this is the object. So first, will, instead of him we are going to keep here he, not have. What will come here? Because have I said, what we are keeping with it? Been invited she. So by her. See now, will he not have been invited by her? Okay, understood. Hope you are understanding it. You have to copy down these all sentences in your notebook and you have to practice it well. Sentences with who. See, who plucks the flowers? Now what will we do in the sentences carrying who? See now again, plucks the flower. Here you are not getting the subject. Okay. So what you will do here, wherever you find who in the very starting of the sentence, instead of who you have to write down by whom. By whom are the flowers? See, this is present tense and it is plural form. That's why I am keeping here are. By whom are the flowers? Instead of plucks, we are going to keep here third form of verb, plucked, and question mark. Did you understand? Instead of who, we will keep here by whom are the flowers plucked. Okay? The flowers we are keeping here. Before that we are keeping here are, because it is the plural form, that's why are, and then plucked. Next one is who cut down the trees. So what we will keep first, instead of who we are going to keep here by whom. Instead of is, am, are, was, were, what we are going to keep here? Were. Because it is past tense, cut down. The trees are already cut. So by whom were the trees. See, past tense, that's why I am keeping here were, and why not was, because this is plural form. That's why I am keeping here were and not was. By whom were the trees cut down? Verb at last. Subject is not there. Next one, who has won the first prize? Okay. So instead of who, we are going to keep by whom has the first prize. Won is already the third form of win. So, and here has we have used has. So we'll keep here been before the verb. Been, won, and question mark. Okay, by whom has the same like that. Now the first prize been won. This verb will go at last. Next is who had informed your brother. So by whom had, same like that. By whom. This will change only when it is singular or plural. Then only it will be changed. If it is singular only, then see, no need to change. If any plural word would be here, then I must have changed here have. But because it is singular only, so no need to change. And even the place of this word is not going to be changed. By whom had, keep the object here. Your brother. So what will come before verb? Had is there? Being. Being informed. And then question mark. I think this is enough for today. You have to write down all these sentences in your notebook. Till now, I have given so many sentences in our practice. All the sentences you will write down in your notebook and you will practice it by yourself. Afterwards, you are going to check it. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe.